all over h. So that's the way it should look. Now when I clean it up, we know for a linear function, the answer should be -3. Let me clean it up right quickly. You're going to end up with -3x right here, minus 3h, minus 12. Down here, some sign changes taking place, plus 3x, plus 12, all over h. Just simplifying or clean this up. These will cancel, 12s will cancel, and you should have ended up with that over that, which will make the h's cancel, and you end up with merely -3, which we said you should. Is that true? Now, I got time to work two more. Next one. Give me what that function was, that quadratic. X squared.
X squared minus x plus 4.
X squared minus x plus 4? Okay, guys, let's try to find, here we go, find this again. Now, this one may be tougher, may look strange. Same process. Okay, guys, here goes. Let's get this out of the way first. This piece right here. It says go up to what she gave me and replace every x with x plus h. That means it's going to look like this. Back up here. X plus h squared. Subtract, I got another x. Got to replace it. X plus h. And then of course the plus 4 stays like it is. And that, block it off, is that. Done. Just be patient. Now, don't stop there. Subtract from this. The next piece is pretty easy. Just subtract the original function. So repeat it, put it in here. That's f of x. That takes care of that. And don't forget, eventually you gotta do this. Divide by h. Now guys, I give you partial credit, just show me the setup. Now this one's gonna be a little bit more, well, it's a little bit busier. Okay, we can do it. A little bit busier. If I square this, this x squared plus 2xh, careful there, plus h squared. That's this right here squared. When I reach this term with that minus sign in front, you're going to end up with a negative x minus h. That's that done. Plus 4, still there. Elementary problem. This, with some sign changes, be careful, you're going to end up with a negative x squared. Look how lengthy this thing is. Plus x minus 4. Let me step back and make sure I got all that in there correctly. Yes. All over h. Now, will some of those terms cancel? Yes. And those terms that are canceling, x squareds will cancel. Gone. X's will cancel. Gone. 4's will cancel. Gone. Now, you know eventually that's got to go. H has got to cancel like it did over there on the last one. Guys, I've got 3 terms remaining. They are not alike. I cannot do additional canceling. What can I do with the remaining 3 terms? Factor out of what?
H.
They all contain an h. So if I take an h out right here, out of those 3 terms remaining, we'll have 2x plus h minus 1. Still over h. Got a common factor of h on top. Now, can I now cancel the h's out? And look at this answer. Not a nice answer as it looks, but that's the answer. That's the best I can do. I found the difference quotient. Okay, now I'm going to set the next one up for you. I'm not going to do it complete. I'm going to just set the next one up for you. By the way, go ahead and make yourself a note there. I will not have a square root on the quiz. I don't want to frighten you with that. That's the hardest one. I will not have a square root on the quiz. Number 3, read number 3 for me so I can set this up. What was the original function?
F of x equals 2x over x plus 3.
Okay, guys, now here goes. I'm going to set it up, and then you guys would have to simplify it. Okay, here goes. We want to find this difference quotient. We find f of x plus h, subtract f of x, all over h. Now on the side here, let me do that. First piece, this right here says go up, replace every x with x plus h, and I'm going to set this up like I said, put an x plus h here. Put that up. This one's messy. On my denominator, replace that x down there, also replace it, x plus h. I'll put it in parentheses. Plus 3, still there. Now that takes care of that. What a mess. Then subtract from that, here we go, the original function. That's 2x over x plus 3. That takes care of that. All over what? H. I can't do it tonight. Join me at 4 o'clock. Mr. Parker, I think he's going to send the solutions out, right? He may show us what he gets. Can anyone tell me? I have one student who's doing it. Does anyone know what, even though I'm not going to finish it up for you, is required to make this one a little bit tougher to simplify than my other two examples? What must one do now on this one? Go for it.
Common denominator.
You gotta combine those two fractions on top with a common denominator. I'm not gonna do it for you. I will do this and we'll stop, because you guys are wiped out. Can anyone tell me, on top there, just the top, what do you think first would be the common denominator for those two fractions? What do you think would serve as a common denominator? And even that part looks strange. It's going to be, I'm going to write mine in this order. This times this. That's your common denominator. And, hang on, I'm not going to finish it up. We can't finish it up. So I can do this for you, but I finish it up. If that's my common denominator, you know this part is missing the x plus 3. So that's got to be put in. Look at this mess. And this one's missing this. It's got to be put in. Then you got to do all that work. I had one of my students doing it. You got to do all that work now and finish it up. If you guys want to do it at 4 o'clock, we'll do it. Mr. Parks can send